In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse a track or loop in BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can flip any audio backward for creative effects like swells, transitions, or that classic reversed vocal vibe. Start by going to BandLab. You can use the website in a browser or the BandLab app if that's what you prefer. If you're not already signed in, log into your BandLab account so you have access to your projects. Once you're in, head to your library. This is where all your projects live, and it's the quickest way to pick up where you left off. If you have a lot of projects, take a second to identify the one that contains the audio you want to reverse so you're opening the right session. Click on your project to open it, then choose Studio. Studio launches the full editing view, where you can see your tracks on the timeline and work with individual clips. Give the project a moment to load. If there are a lot of tracks or effects, that's normal. Now find the specific track or loop you want to reverse. This needs to be an audio clip, not a MIDI region, because reversing works by flipping the recorded sound backward. Double-click the track or loop to open the editor. When the editor appears, you'll see detailed options for that clip, things like trimming, gain, and the feature we're here for. Click on Reverse. As soon as you do, BandLab will flip that clip so it plays from end to start. You'll typically notice the waveform refresh, and when you press play, the sound will now sweep in the opposite direction. Reversing can create a powerful pull into a chorus, turn a cymbal into a rising whoosh, or transform a vocal into an eerie, atmospheric texture. A quick note on timing. When a clip is reversed, its rhythmic accents appear in reverse too. If something feels offbeat after reversing, nudge the clip left or right so the peak impact lands where you want it. This is especially helpful with drums and one-shots. Also, because the reverse function is non-destructive, you can experiment freely knowing the original audio isn't damaged. If you're working with loops that follow your project tempo, reversing them can change the groove in surprising ways. That's part of the fun. Audition the result in context and trust your ears. And remember, shorter clips often make punchier reversed effects, while longer clips create smoother cinematic swells. That's all there is to it. Go to BandLab, log in, open your library, select your project, enter Studio, double-click the clip, and click Reverse. Have fun exploring new textures and transitions in your mix.